Hello all, and my name is Preetham. Here we are to learn how to prepare a certificate for the Google Form quiz by using a Certify EM application, which has been present in Google Form, but we have to make it or add on Google Drive specifically. So today we are learning. See, many teachers are preparing Google Form quiz for the MCQs and various short answer and the particular long answer. For the MCQ, when students is appearing for the exam, so after submission of that exam, if he is pass, if he get more than 40%, then Google Form has a facility to directly send a certificate of appreciation to the students, and how that we will learn in this today's video by using Certify M app. Now let's move on to the actual practice of it. So just I am opening. So here I am opening Google. So Google is nothing but we can say. So first of all we have to move to the Google Form. Google Form. Now Google Form. So we are going to Google Form directly. Okay. So I'm removing the previous one blank quiz. So Google Form is providing a template. So in that we can select a blank quiz so that we can prepare MCQs and we can send to the students. So now for the requirement of the issuing certificate to the students, we required one add-on application of Google that is known as a Certify EM. So this Certify EM you can add on your Google Drive by using this technique. So in this you can see the your logo, and after that three dots are there. So just I'm maximize so that you can easily see. So when you click that three dots, so you can able to get like this. So in that there is a add-on space. When you are putting this one, click on these three dots, you can get add-ons. So here the add-on tab is there, so you just click on add-on tab. It will show the number of different app which can be provided by the Google, and for the utilization of the any teachers, or we can say any persons. So here we are putting certify. You can put certify also, you will get it directly that app here. This one is known as a Certify EM app. So just I'm clicking over here, then it will show install tab. So first of all you have to install, but before installing it will require some permission. Then I will go for the continue. Google will ask you something that is nothing but permission from the login. So here I will go to my login. You can go with the help of your user ID and password. Here my laptop is already having the login. So here, so Certify EM want to assess your Google account. That is nothing but it will require some permission. So click on allow. Once you click on allow, you can able to get this app will be installed in your Google Drive. App will be installed in your Google Drive. So just wait for 2 minutes. It requires 2 minutes for install. Yes, now it has been notified Certify EM has been installed. So just see here, done. See, once you can, if it is a add-on app, particularly we can say if it is a application of Certify EM is add-on in your Google Drive, then you can able to see here like this sign that it has been added. It is an arrow sign. Now when we think about this, the new blank quiz we will open now. It has been done. We had installed already the add-on app of Certify EM. Now again we are moving towards the new blank quiz. So here I will remove the previous one. You can get easily all certificates, and it is a very easy method. Google had made it possible. Now I'm just putting in a blank quiz form. Yes, so now blank quiz form is there. Then you will able to get a sign in, one sign which is showing Certify EM. Just wait for 2 minutes because it depends on the internet speed. So here the sign in add-on is been there, Certify. So I will put Certify. I will click over it, so it will show Certify EM. Then it will ask you enable Certify EM for this quiz. Yes. Then it will show Certify EM is now enabled for use in this quiz. Get started. Once you get started, you can open the window here. See, it's automatically it will open the window. Otherwise, it will show the control of Certify EM should be open. Then if you click on open directly, here is directly it will open. So there is a window for controlling the certificate, and now your blank quiz has been converted into such a that you have to type here the exam name, then full name is there, then full name means what, a student name which has to be included in a certificate. Then question will be like this. You can add the question by using this one, addition of this one. But here one thing you have to remember, in this quiz, whenever you want a certificate, in that we should a lot depend upon the answer key. Means what, every question should have the answer key, and that you can do easily. That is quiz, then miss question, correct answer. Just click here. If you are clicking here and save, then what will happen? See, it will went off directly. It will go away. But here we want correct answer, save it, so it is there like this. So here this is very important for the certificate, to provide the certificate. Now here I am conducting just one for the showing purpose. I will write here general knowledge test 2020. Okay, now the question is just I had put one question here, that is nothing, the answer is also there, and full name likewise. So you will get it. You can add the more question depend upon the normal Google form how you are preparing likewise. Now we will concentrate on a certificate. See, here the status is what, certification is off for this quiz, so we have to convert into on. So we will just click over here, turn on. So it will take some time. It will take some time depending on your speed of internet. Now see, the status is what, certificate is on. Now there is a very important tab is there, passing. See, in exam, if you are asking a 10 question in Google form and student had given perfectly 50% answer, but passing criteria is 60%, then student will not get the certificate. So if he had mentioned here 0%, then every student will get the certificate. But if I am telling you, if you want to restrict 40%, so if students is getting 40% and above marks, then only they will allow to get the certificate, other will not get the certificate. So here I am mentioning 40%. Now certificate records. Certificate records are nothing but we can say Excel sheet that you can able to get after the completion of it. In that you can get the certificate record here. This is normal Excel sheet you will get as per as Google form, but certificate ID will be provided by using this particular certificate record tab. Then this then we will move. So certificate record we completed, status we completed, passing we completed. Now we are moving to templates. Google already provided some templates for certificates. Here I will show you. Just click preview all, then you will get. In this you will get a certificate. Different certificate templates are there. See here. These are the templates. Here you can change the, depend upon the your form, the name of the students will change, and exam will be changed. The remaining will be automatically, it will accept from the Excel sheet. No need to modify the things. So here the templates are there. Even though if we are conducting for the college, we can prepare our own certificate, but that is in a custom template. So in the next video, I will explain you how we can prepare our own college certificate, and that we can link here by using Google Slides. So here today, in today's lecture only, we will learn how we will provide the certificate. Now golden is nothing but my favorite one, so I am utilizing. So you can send your particular, the copy of it is on email, and you can see. Now next is what? Advanced tab. When you click, it will open the new window. This is nothing but the some messages which will get by the students, or by the reviewer, or we can say by the those who are appearing exam. Sorry, those who are appearing exam. So in that, so here thank particularly when any student submitted the response, then he will get this message: thank you for your submission. If you pass, so I want to change this sentence, so I can make it change 40 above 40%. Okay, now space. So this message you will get, student will get when he submit the paper: thank you for your submission, thank you for your submission. That nothing but our test name, if you can put anything here. Then after that, email option means once student submitted the response, after that if he is getting a above 40% mark, then he automatically get the certificate, and that automatically gets certificate from your email id, which is we having a Google form login. So directly it will get the certificate. So in that, name of the sender, we have to put the name of the sender means what? Our college name. So here I am utilizing my college name, Konkan Gyanpith Rahul Dharkar College of Pharmacy and Research Institute. So likewise you will get a sender name, means what? Certificate will send by using this name, but email id will be your login name. Now subject of email will be passing certificate. Now in email you can write down congratulations. Those who get the certificate get this email copy: congratulations, you successfully completed exam, that general knowledge test 2020. And then you can write thanks and regards. Whatever you can write likewise. So likewise, and if you want a certificate copy to a specific email, then you can put the email here if you want. Otherwise it will be get stored in a particularly, we can say, Google Drive. Then certificate option is nothing but here two options are the PDF image, so we will select a PDF. Then via email we are sending, or Google Drive we can get it directly link. So email, nothing but we are collecting here, save changes. So once it's saved, we had completed here. Now we had completed this one certificate, so I will show the demo of it, how student will get a certificate. Now we will get the response on my email of this. Let's shorten the link. Now copy, then I'm going to my Gmail. As we are sending various link through the WhatsApp also you can send now. So here for the demo purpose I will show you. Subject is general knowledge test 2020. Likewise, okay. Now once I send, I will get in my email. Yes, mailbox. I got it. GKT 2020. So student will get like this this link, and then when students are clicking on this link, they will get that form. So when the form will come, specifically it will ask a email address. So I'm just inputting a different email address, pvswatkar@rediffmail.com. Okay, and my name I'm just writing here like this, Pritham Vijay Zwatkar. This name is very important because this name will be included in your certificate. Now what was the question? So student will get some questions likewise, and what color is the sky is having blue color. Then I will tell you, just I will put this one, click on the submit button. Once the click on a submit button, you will get the message which we had recorded in the quiz. Thank you for your submission. If you pass above 40%, you will receive the printable certificate shortly. Now we will move towards the blank. We got the response, yes, we got, and shortly the certificate will be issued to the Pritham Vijay Zwatkar on PV Zwatkar Rediff Mail. So shortly he will get the certificate. On specifically we can say, see here. Yes, I got the mail. See now 447. See here 447 passing certificate. So here the certificate, and the same message has been written which we had written over there. That is, congratulations, you successfully passed the GKT 2020. Thanks and regards. See, this certificate is present. So this is all about, you get a certificate on specific test which has been asked on a GK, or we can say Google form. So the certificate can be certified declares that Pritham Vijay Zwatkar has completed general knowledge test. It was on 4/20/20 with passing scores of 100%. A certificate ID is there, and that can be completed our session. So here just I'm thank you very much for kind listen, and I request you to please subscribe my channel, and in coming videos I will explain you how we can change the certificate format, and we can input our college certificate in a Google form, and everybody will get directly that certificate. That is custom template we can able to prepare, and in coming video I will explain you how we can form that custom certificate, and we can input directly in AutoCAD. That is nothing but directly to the our students or those who are attending that Google form. Thank you very much. Please subscribe for the more technical as well as a subject wise videos. Thank you.